A project in Risca near Newport is using animal-assisted therapies to develop the self-esteem and skills of people facing the most difficult challenges of getting back into work.
Lylac Ridge hope to help around 100 adults this year who would otherwise struggle with their confidence and finding employment. Nicola Hendy has been to find out how it works.
It means getting your hands dirty, but mucking in by mucking out is not just for the benefit of the animals. It's being used to build the confidence of people who are out of work. The scheme here at Lylac Ridge near Risca is trying to teach some of the vital skills you need for a job. Ivor Rowlands was sent here by the Job Centre to volunteer, and although he still doesn't have paid employment, he does help out 3 days a week.
I've never worked with animals before until I came up here. It's a new experience for me and it's just changed my life. My friends have noticed I'm more happier. I go home, I'm more happy with the family and stuff like that. I'd rather do this and I'm happy just doing what I'm doing now. Like, you just go home with a smile on your face. Like,
when Lylac Ridge first started up, its main focus was to help disadvantaged youngsters, helping them to build their confidence by spending time with the animals. Now, though, they're also trying to help adults get back into work. This latest scheme will work with people from the ages of 16 to 60.
You go down the side, following the heel, cutting off as little as you can each time so you don't go too deep.
There are qualifications up for grabs, and though cutting goats' toenails is quite specific, it's the general skills like teamwork and communication that the staff want people to take away.
It is getting them to a point that they feel confident that they can go into further training, or they feel confident that they go into volunteering, which is obviously very, very important, or they feel confident enough to be able to go on to supported employment or employment. So ours is the first stage. We build that confidence and that self-esteem to then put them into other aspects and other job roles.
Lylac Ridge say they want to help 100 adults who are out of work this year and show them that working with the animals can help them to work anywhere. Nicola Hendy, ITV News in Risca.